Hi, this is Kate.
And this is Dad, and this is another episode of
Coding with Dad.
That's right. And Kate, you're going to show us some interesting things today, but before we start, you get to announce that we have how many subscribers?
100 subscribers.
Okay.
Well, exactly 108.
Yeah, so we crossed the 100 mark, which was really great. We
Yeah,
thanked
that was
everybody
really
for subscribing.
exciting. Yeah, we saw that and we were like, whoa, we have to do another video.
Yes.
Yeah,
so what's this video going to be about?
So, anyway, I wanted to show you that Rainbow Pika AJ, I believe her username is Cute Pie Cute. I think she commented on another video saying like for actually this video. She wanted me to do this video, so I did that, and then now she says, you know, the Ask Block, how do you make answers to it? So I'm going to try to answer that question.
That's
And
cool.
hopefully I answer it good for her. So I guess right now I want to show you her username. I believe this is the right person, and I'm sorry if it's not, but
it's still a pretty cool account.
still a pretty
right?
cool account, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to use my little
Bob the Dot.
Bob the Dot basic scratch like thing. I don't know why I named it Bob the Dot, just because I like the name Bob. It's funny. And
Bob,
hopefully someone watching is named Bob, so they're like, yay, my name is Bob, go Bob. Okay.
Now, is this where you're going to talk about the Ask Block?
Yeah, and just so you know, there's another video on blocks, and we call this Blocky when we're talking about just the blocks. So
this is another good beginner one, right?
yeah, if you're just starting Scratch, I definitely recommend these episodes, and like I have some episodes with Grace that we did,
Yep.
like to show like how to get around Scratch even. So if you're beginning and you want to code, then you can watch these and they might help. So anyway, let's get to the Ask Block. Here's the Ask Block.
What does the Ask Block do, Kate?
Well, it makes the character ask you a question, basically, and you can give it an answer, and the answer can be used for a few different things. So anyway, I'm gonna show you what I thought I'd show you is how to make it say your name. So anyway, so what you need to do if you want to say your name, then you have to put ask what's your name and wait. So it'll wait for the answer. And when it does that, you'll see it comes up like here, and then Kate, that's my name, but it does nothing after.
Right.
You know?
So the question that they're asking was, how do you, like, they probably know how to put the Ask Block on, but they were like, how do I,
Actually
the answer,
make it do something.
you're answering something, so it would be interesting if we could use that answer, right?
Yeah. Well, here's the answer.
No.
That's what you really need to make it do something with it. So, anyway, you need to go into operators, I believe. Yes, you do. Here it is. Join Hello World. It'll just say Hello World for now. And then you need to, wait. So it says ask what's your name and wait. So now you need to make it say something, and that is in looks. So you can say hello for how many seconds do you want, Dad? How many seconds do you want?
I only want 2 seconds.
Only 2 seconds? Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, you don't. It's like a perfect amount of seconds. So anyway, you need to put join Hello World in the say block, so you can put the answer block in there. Because if you want to make it say something like, "What's your name?" Then you might think, "Oh, I'll just be able to type it in and then put the answer block at the end."
Right.
You know, but you can't,
You have to really
because
ask.
if you see if I typed hello, like I want you to say hello, Kate, or like hello, whatever your name is, you know, then I might type hello and then drag the answer block. But the answer block covers up the whole thing. So if I press play and write Kate, it just goes Kate.
Not very friendly.
Yeah.
Should probably say hello, right?
Yeah. So if you wanted to say hello, then you want to say hello, and then you see that little green space in the middle? That kind of separates each
so it's
word.
joining whatever you put in the first thing to the second thing.
Yeah, so now it's going to say, hello, Kate, if I type in Kate. Oh,
Cat.
Kate, cat.
How about you said hello, Dad?
Dad.
Let's see.
Hello, Dad.
Very friendly. Bob is very friendly.
Yeah, Bob is very friendly. So, anyway, you can do,
So the key is that answer piece.
Yeah.
Really, that's where the answer is stored.
You can do many things with this answer block. And one thing I did do on one of my other accounts was pretty cool. So I'm going to show you that now. I'll just go to my stuff and search Kate website. And this account I had from when I was like really little, and I always did this. Let's see. Cat math. There it is. Okay. So what it does is it teaches you math. It says cat teaching math, and originally this was addition, but I changed it to be multiplication, so it's a little harder. And this has the same thing, like what is your name, and then I'm gonna type in Kate or Dad. Do you want to do Dad?
No, let's do Kate.
Okay, Kate. Hello, Kate. We're gonna do multiplication today, so it has a say block. Actually, it might be best if I go see inside, and then you'll see, whoa, that is a lot of code. But,
you can see in there all the answer blocks.
You can see in there's a ton of answer blocks, and this is cool. This has like all the join blocks joined together. It has 3 join blocks. So you can really make it go like Kate, 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 over and over if you put enough join blocks. You know?
Is that how you're asking it? Like are you picking random numbers or?
I'm picking random numbers.
Oh,
so
cool.
This might be a little advanced actually. So I think I have one that teaches this on our Coding with Dad website.
But basically, we've answered the question, so this is kind of just showing you the next level.
This is kind of showing you the next level, yeah. So what this kind of does is you'll see it goes, what's your name? And so it says, what's your name? And now you type in Kate or whatever your name is.
Yep. And
then it says, this is where it says hello. And then it says, we are going to do multiplication today. How many questions do you want? And then there's a variable marked number of questions.
Wow.
And then it
so
says,
it takes that answer what you put in
sets that to
So right now we see it set to
0.
We see it set up to here to 0. So what happens if you put like 2 or 3 in there?
2. I'll put actually 3.
Okay.
I'll do 3. So what it does is it gives you a multiplication question, like a random 1, and it picks it from random 0 to 10. So it randomly picks it.
So then it comes down here and asks. It puts the equation up.
Yes, but this is where number of questions come in. Because number of questions is right here.
Right.
It's in the repeat block. So this repeats it. This repeats this little amount of code right here. All of that. Down all the way to here, this one. It repeats that all the way down to there as many times as you want it to, basically.
Cool.
So now I'm going to show you something that is pretty cool. So when you get it right, it changes the score by 3.
Ah.
So that's because it says if x plus y times y, which is like
This is the
x
equation
is
it
like
asks
the
you,
first
right?
one and y is the second one. So 0 is x and y is 8 in this equation. So it's x times y equals answer. If that's so, basically, is that correct? And if it is, it changes the score by 3, and it plays the sound right.
So it gives you three points for every right answer you get right away, right?
Yeah. And then it says, you are right, good job. And then if not, it says play sound wrong. And it says, it's wrong, try again for 2 seconds. And then it says, and then it asks the same thing. And then it says the same thing, because if you see,
So if you get it right,
sets random way up here
mm-hmm.
at the x
Right.
at the x and y. So
So
it does the same thing.
It remembers the same
It
question.
remembers the same question. And now it says if x times y equals answer, it only changes score by 2.
Mm-hmm. So if you get it right the
So-
first time, you get 3 points. If you get it wrong once and you get it right the second time, it gives you 2 points. And I guess you give, and if it'll give you 3 chances, right?
Yeah. So it'll know if you're right or wrong. And then it gives you, on the 3rd chance, it says wrong, it's wrong again. Try one more time. And then it says change, and then it will only change score by 1
Mm-hmm.
if you get it right the last time. And then it says, and then it would say, where is that? Let's try it again one more time. And then it would say, it's wrong, let's try another one.
Yeah. So it'll do. Then it'll repeat that
But-
whole thing again and again until you get to
But
the number
if
of
the
questions.
question number, which is right here, so I'm on question number 1 out of 3 questions. We
Right.
said 3 questions. So question number is less than the number of questions, then say it's wrong, let's try another one. But if the question number is equal to the number of questions, then it'll only say it's wrong, because you won't try another one after that.
Right.
And then after that, it'll go right to the number. It'll go to the number of questions times 3.
Oh, so if you got everything right.
Will score.
Yep.
Then, so if you got everything right, it says
Everything right on the first time.
it says
right?
excellent. Your score is, and then the score you got.
Right.
If 0 equals score, if like the score is 0,
You didn't get
basically,
anything.
you
right?
didn't get anything right. Better luck next time. And then wait 3 seconds, and then it thinks, I hope they do better next time.
Right.
And then otherwise they say, so if it's in the middle in between getting everything right or getting nothing right, then it says, great job, your score is score. And then wait 3 seconds, and then they think they did pretty good.
Let's run it once and then show them, and then we'll wrap up.
Okay, so I want to show you what happens if you get it wrong.
Yeah.
Okay? So
0
0
times
times
8.
8 is 0, obviously. So I'm going to do 8. Oh, is the sound up? Oh no, wait, did I mess up? Okay, wait 1 second.
Let's just try it again.
I might have pressed a few buttons that were weird. We're going to do multiplication today. How many questions do you want? How
2.
many? 2? Okay. 7 times 2 is 14, but we're going to do 13.
Okay.
That's me when I was really little,
Hey,
like
that's
5.
funny.
I don't know, I might have been 5.
All right, let's get it right this time.
So let's get it right this time. 14. Ding, ding, ding. You were right, good job. I say ding, ding, ding.
And then this one,
5
let's,
times 10 is 50. Do you want to get it right, Dad?
let's get it right.
Ding, ding, ding.
And then let's see what. So, great job, because it was in between. Your score is 5 because the first time you got it, you got 2 points, and the second time you got 3 points.
And I just want to show you 2 other things, and I'm only going to do 1 question this time because I'll be able to do it quicker. We are going to do multiplication today. How many questions do you want? I want 1. 4 times 0 is 0, so I got it right. And that was my last question.
And
My
then,
one
and then you got the
question.
excellent.
So
because
excellent because that was my only question and I got it right. So I was right that time. And now I'm going to do what is my name? Kate. Hello, Kate.
You're showing us all the
We are
different
showing
paths.
multiplication today. Yeah, I had to test all of these
Yep.
just to make sure they worked when I first made the project.
So you
4
get this
times
one
8
wrong.
is 1. 4 times 8 is 1,000 million crazy number.
One more time. I'm gonna guess it's that number.
No, Dad, you're wrong. It's that number.
All right, let's see.
There we go. I even put a few dashes and weird numbers in there. And then it goes, it's wrong. Not like,
Yeah.
not it's wrong, let's try another one.
I hope you do better next time. So you're so encouraging.
So
You're
I tried to make them feel nice,
Yeah.
not like, you didn't get anything right. You're bad at this. It's like you didn't get anything right.
So
Better
on the
luck
YouTube
next
video, let's
time.
post a link to this project so they can see that in action.
Yeah, sure. And then I think also if you want to see me make something like this, I believe I did this same thing on a video.
Oh yeah.
So if you wanted to learn how to make that, I believe, yeah, I did this one.
So we'll call out a link to that as well.
Yeah, we can make a link to that. And then I also once did it adding fractions, improper fractions too, for like school and stuff. So yeah.
So I think we're gonna wrap it up.
Yep.
And this is another episode of Coding with Dad. If you like us, subscribe, right?
Yep.
And please be sure to write comments on the YouTube channel.
Yeah, and if you have any suggestions or want us to do something,
Just put a comment.
Just put a comment. If like you don't understand something, put a comment, and we try to answer all the comments that we can. So yeah.
That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.